potatoes we got today are white potatoes, which is in this first one right here. We got some red potatoes, and we got some purple potatoes. The guy gave them to us, so they were freebies. Somebody gave us the garlic, that was free as well. So what we did is we cut them open, put 1 to 2 eyes per potato, and now we're going to go out here. I've already mowed the grass down as low as I can get it where we're going to put them. Alrighty, what I'm doing now is going to put them on a tarp, let them harden up a little bit and dry while we prepare the ground with compost. I went ahead and mowed it pretty low. Going to put cardboard down, compost, and we'll come back and drop these seed potatoes and cover them with straw. But right now I'm just going to put them out here, let them dry, harden up a little bit. Really doesn't matter if it gets mixed up. It's an experiment we haven't done before. We watch YouTube like everybody else, come up with some ideas. We're going to see what works. You know, we won't be out much money if it doesn't, but if it does work, we'll have a good bounty of potatoes, and we'll be able to have something to can this year, potato-wise. So we're laying down boxes, old boxes we had. So sort of a recycle.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Alrighty, well, we got to this point. We got our pile all here with our compost, and we're getting ready to put our seed potatoes in. They're dry now, and I was doing some Googling and YouTubing, because that's what I do, and heard about putting some dust in them with wood ash, which would help them, keep them from rotting. So I have some wood ash left over from my wood stove, so we're going to dust these guys down, and basically, I'm not going to bury them deep. I'm just going to put them like this. And then I'm going to pile straw on top when I'm done. We'll do rows. Get as many in here as we can. And I may sprinkle a little wood ash on top before I put the straw on. And then, like I said, this experiment, we'll see what happens, what grows, what comes up. Never done it this way. Always wanted to try it. So, don't have much invested in it right now, so why not? Okay, here are the potatoes. They've come up pretty good. I got to put some more straw on them. So I'll cover them up with straw today. Just leave the tops of those out. There were some of the new ones I planted. After that 2-day intense rain, the ones I did put in there, most of them rotted. So I got some more seed potatoes. Luckily the co-op downtown had some more. This was an experiment. We've never done this before. We put potatoes in here in the spring. It was a project we started. We laid down cardboard, and then I took compost from my compost pile, put in here, all in here. And then what I did is I laid seed potatoes right on top of the dirt, covered it with straw. So now, it is now October, and the plants are dead. So I'm gonna go through here and see what I get. I just dug in here for a little bit and I got just a few potatoes. So I want to see what I get. Like I said, this was just an experiment to see if I can grow potatoes like this. If so, how much would I get? So let me dig them up.